The next topic is molecular orbitals of pentadienyl cation. So the structure of pentadienyl cation is it has 5 carbons, and first and third position we have double bond, 2 double bonds, that's why it is called pentadienyl cation. So now pentadienyl cation has 5 carbons. So you can see 4 carbons are having double bond character, 1 carbon has positive charge. So therefore double bond character containing carbons undergoing sp2, and as well as carbocation carbon also undergoes sp2 hybridization. So 5 carbons are undergoing sp2 hybridization. Therefore 5 molecular orbitals present in pentadienyl cation. These molecular orbitals obtained from linear combination of the 5 atomic orbitals. So those 5 atomic orbitals give 5 molecular orbitals psi1, psi2, psi3, psi4 and psi5. So here in this molecule we have 2 pi bonds, therefore 2 2s are 4 pi electrons are present. So the molecular orbitals of pentadienyl cations are, so here designation, nodes, sigma symmetry, C2 symmetry. Yes, pentadienyl cation has 5 carbons. The 5 carbons will provide 5 p orbitals, therefore each molecular orbital has 5 lobes. Yes, the designations are psi1, psi2, psi3, psi4, psi5. Nodes are psi1 has 0 nodes, psi2 has 1 node, psi3 has 2, psi4 has 3, psi5 has 4 nodes. Here psi4 not having any node, psi1 has 1 node, that node should come at the middle of the orbital here. Psi2, psi3 has 2 nodes, those 2 nodes should come at these positions to follow symmetry. Yes, psi4 has 3 nodes, 1 node come at the middle of the orbital and the remaining 2 nodes will come here and here. Psi4 has 3, psi5 has 4 nodes, those 4 nodes come alternatively like this. Okay, let's see. So for psi1 all lobes are positive at the top side and all lobes are negative at the bottom side. For psi2 we start with the plus, no node, plus is there. In the next orbital here node is passing through the lobe, therefore we are keeping this lobe empty, and to follow nodal plane rule, so plus followed by minus here. Here no node is there, here therefore we will get minus. Psi3 start with the plus, node is present, leaving this orbital empty, and we are writing minus because here node is present. Here node is present, therefore we should write plus on this orbital. For psi4 start with plus, node is present, minus. Here node is present, therefore we are writing plus. Here node is present, therefore writing minus. In the psi5 plus minus will come alternatively. So to follow the symmetry, as here the molecular orbitals with the odd designation, those are sigma symmetric. Yes, and that means psi3, so psi1, psi3, psi5 are symmetric and even numbers are asymmetric. For C2 molecular orbitals with even number designation are symmetric, that means psi2 and psi4 are symmetric, the remaining are asymmetric. Let's see electronic configuration of pentadienyl cation. So here we have 4 electrons. So those 4 electrons will filled in psi1 with 2 electrons, psi2 with 2 electrons under ground state. Here psi1 and psi2 has electrons in these. So psi2 is, yes, psi2 is high energetic orbital with electrons, therefore this is called HOMO. Here three orbitals psi3, psi4, psi5 are not having any electrons. In these three, psi3 has lowest energy, that's why that is called LUMO. So now friends, just irradiate the allyl cation in presence of light. Now, so we get first excited state. The first excited state, what is happening when you irradiate the sample? So the electrons from psi2 level, one electron promotes to psi3 level. Yes. So now, what are the molecular orbitals with electrons? Psi1, psi2, psi3. Here psi3 has a high energy, therefore that becomes HOMO. So this psi4 is lowest energy without electron, that becomes a LUMO. So thermal condition electronic configuration is psi12, psi22, psi30, psi40, psi50. As ground state HOMO is psi2, ground state LUMO is psi3. So photochemical condition electronic configuration is psi12, psi21, psi31, psi40, psi50. First excited state HOMO is psi3, first excited state LUMO is psi4. So friends, so the molecular orbitals of pentadienyl radical is similar to molecular orbitals of pentadienyl cation. But what is the difference? The difference is number of pi electrons. Here pentadienyl cation has only 2 pi bonds, but here in pentadienyl radical along with 2 pi bonds one odd electron is present, therefore 4 plus 1, 5 odd electrons are present. So the molecular orbitals also same. Yes, their symmetrical properties and their signs and everything are same as similar to pentadienyl cation, but the electronic configuration is different because number of electrons are different. So ground state electronic configuration, psi1 has 2 electrons, psi2 has 2 electrons, the remaining 1 electron fill into the psi3 level. So this is the energy order. Yes, here psi3 is having electron with the highest energy, that becomes HOMO. So psi4 becomes a LUMO. So when you irradiate this allyl radical, now what will happen? This electron promotes to, right, yes, psi3 electron promotes to psi4 orbital. Now so in under first excited state, psi4 has electron with highest energy, that becomes HOMO, but psi3 becomes a LUMO. So thermal condition electronic configuration is psi12, psi22, psi31, psi40, psi50. Therefore HOMO is psi3, LUMO is psi4. Photochemical condition electronic configuration is, yes, psi3 is not having electron, psi4 has electron, HOMO is psi4, LUMO is, right, LUMO is psi3. Interestingly, for radicals they are exchanging HOMO and LUMO. Friends, this is about the molecular orbitals of, right, pentadienyl cation, pentadienyl radical, allyl cation and allyl radical. Thank you.